Carnival Mardi Gras features and overview is coming up next. Are you looking for 7 to 8 days sailing in a luxury cruise liner? If yes, then Mardi Gras is perfect one. It is an Axle class ship that is powered by liquefied natural gas. With 17 passenger decks, it can hold up to 6,465 guests at full capacity. The itinerary includes sailing from Port Canaveral to Eastern, Western and Southern Caribbean. On board, you will find a ton of fun activities such as ultimate sea coaster, water slides, sky course, entertainment, as well as food and drink venues. This whole cruise is divided into 6 themed zones. These are Grand Central, French Quarter, Summer Landing, La Piazza, Lido, and the Ultimate Playground. Starting from the deck 4, here you will find mostly the staterooms. However, midship there is Family Harbor Lounge, Camp Ocean and Dr. Seuss Bookville, which is Carnival's kid program. Whereas on deck 5 forward, there is a part of Cloud9 Spa. Wondering about the fun and entertainment venues, then head to the deck 6 Grand Central. For some amazing shows, check out the Mardi Gras Theatre on the forward side. Moving aft, there is Cloud9 Spa where you will relax in thermal suites, massages and much more services are available. Want to break into laughter? Then head to the Punchliner Comedy Club, whereas Piano Bar 88 is perfect for enjoying drinks with piano music. While the atrium is on the starboard side that converts into a zone for some amazing shows at the night time, and your coffee cravings will be fulfilled by Java Blue Cafe, and Cherry on Top will provide you a ton of candies. Moving back towards the French quarters, here you will see Brass Magnolia Bar, while the port side is for the Flamingo Restaurant, one of the dining location. Want to get amazed by your drinks? Then Fortune Teller Bar is on the starboard side. For some barbecue shrimps and fried oysters, check out the Emerald's Bistro 1396. While at the aft, you will find Palm Restaurant, the main dining room that is a multi-story. Feeling lucky? Then check out the casino on deck 7, which is one of the biggest in the sea, while drinks could be found on Grand View Bar. Looking for some cocktails? Well, you have got the Alchemy Bar on the starboard side, while Limelight Lounge will become your best late night venue for karaoke, music and drinks. And for specialized steaks and seafood, you will be eating at Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse. Now moving towards the Summer Landing Zone, where you will be enjoying views and water at the aft from a patio pool, while the watering hole will become your hub for fresh drinks and complimentary lunch will be served at Guy's Pig and Anchor Smokehouse Brewhouse, while drinks and music are available inside. Apart from that, there is Heroes Tribute Lounge. Looking for some seafood dinner? Then Rudy's Sea Grill is the spot. Moving more further will take you to La Piazza Zone, where you will find Italian vibes. For quick bites, check out Piazza Panini and Pizzeria del Capitano, and Bar della Rosa will be the best spot for Italian drinks and coffees, while you can enjoy dining in Cucina del Capitano. For enjoying Japanese flavors, head to the Bonsai Sushi and Bonsai Teppanyaki. While if you are staying in a Havana stateroom, then the Havana pool and bar will be your place to chill. Are you looking for some Chinese and Mexican food? Then check out Chibang. Want to know about the complimentary and specialty food venues on board the Carnival Mardi Gras? Then consider subscribing. Moving up from deck 9 to 15, those all are reserved for staterooms, while 16th front zone is Lido, where you will find food and fun venues such as complimentary street eats, seafood shack, and Mexican is served in Blue Iguana Cantina. And Tiki Bar will be a hot spot for ton of drinks while you can relax or swim in the beach pool. Moving aft, there is Lido Marketplace, a venue for buffet, and Big Chicken is at the end of Lido Marketplace. Apart from that, you will find pool, 2 hot tubs, and a tide pool bar as well. Want to sit back and relax? Then Deck 17 aft has a lot of lounge chairs, while hunger can be killed from Guy's Burger Joint, and drinks are available at the top level of Red Frog Tiki Bar. The kids will enjoy in Circle C while teens will hang out in Club O2. And there is an arcade on Deck 17 as well, while the forward section of Deck 18 is reserved for adults. Here in Serenity Adult Only Retreat, you will relax in hot tubs, and there is plenty of sitting area and a bar. Finding this info helpful, then please share it with your friends. While the aft is the ultimate playground zone, where you will find a basketball court, a jogging track, a mini golf, and will have a lot of fun in 3 amazing water slides and the power drencher. And if you are an Excel Suite guest, then you can chill out in Loft 19 Cabanas. Ropes course is available midship, while you will unleash the adrenaline in the Bolt roller coaster. For accommodation, there is the option of interior staterooms, balconies, suites, Loft 19, and you can know more from the link below. Overall, you will be enjoying a ton in Carnival Mardi Gras. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.